Hello everyone, this is Saraswati, and again I'm here because my holidays are going on, and it has been almost more than 15 days to wasting time and do not do anything and just doom scrolling and watching movies because I like watching movies. But studying at the same time is also important, and I'm not able to focus on my studies. And I have brought some books from my university. I've thought that I will read those books, but I am just ignoring them as I ignore my this I dana, I dana, and now I'm taking medicine for this. That some medicine I've also applied on my upper eyelid. So that's a story. That's another story. I'm visiting to the doctor, and yeah, I've chose those books because of my interest, and I thought I will read those books, but I'm not reading it. I just ignore it. So I don't want to do this for a long time. So I am confirming this in this video. I am recording this video just because to give me a task to make myself little bit more sincere, little bit accountable towards what I have thought and what I have to do in the action now. So yeah, let me introduce first which are those four books I have chosen for myself to read in a month, and I have only 1 month to do that, and I'm hopeful that I will able to complete those books. And these are the books which I thought once to read if I get time. So here is a time, and I'm still wasting those times. So yeah, I am making a promise that I will complete it before 1 month, within a 1 month. Okay, let me introduce my books. Yeah. So the first one is this, my personal favorite. Uh, Yet I have not read it, but I have some idea about it, and this is one of the famous on Instagram or somewhere. But when I was in my graduation English honors, I have one of my professor told me about this book. The book is The Palace of Illusion. So yeah, by Chitra Banerjee. I'm really I really want to read this book, and you know I want to complete this book, and I know this will go into my heart, and this will give me a new perspective of Draupadi. And yes, I'm excited. And after reading each books, I will make one dedicated video on that, what I feel, what I feel, whatever my emotions, and how and what kind of perspective it build. I built uh, from the no this novel. Okay, I will make the video. Yeah, that is also a promise. If I will not do this, then I will break my promise, and which I don't want. Yeah. The second book is in my courses. I know this. No, I know this writer Paulo Freire, and when I enter in my library, I have read some portions of Pedagogy of Oppressed, and so I get to know that there are other books of this writer, that Pedagogy of Love, Pedagogy of Heart. So I chose this book, Pedagogy of Heart, because in my third semester I will go in field work, and there I have to facilitate the sessions, I have to be in the classroom. So I really want to explore teaching in, and I want to build some perspective from that. I have some experience of teaching but from reading perspective I should have some background, or what this writer want to say, I should have that perspective too. So I'm really excited to read this book, and I will also let me see what is in, the books I'm showing you, the four books. I haven't read them, not even a single page. I have just have some context, and that's why I chose those books only. And this, I can see there is a content, this book is mm, yeah, nice. Hmm. Like if I will read some portion, I will read some portion. If I will get some like different kind of perspective, I will make some short videos on this book. I'm making another promise, guys. I think it will not, like, if it will not happen within a month, but completing reading these books within a month, it's a possible task. But making a dedicated video, that can take much more time, which is okay. But I'm willing to do that. Okay. Okay. The next book is, yeah. I have, like, I don't think so. Even a single time I have completed any novel in Hindi whole. Reading a whole book, it's a book task for me, and I never chose Hindi book usually. But I don't know, somehow this book attracts me towards it. And Ret Ki Machli, I have heard of this book before on, with like, one of my friend was talking about this, and on Insta, I also, like, people make this reviews video, or their thoughts, sharing their thoughts. So I think reading is personally will give me some emotions and evoke some emotions. I know these books are, somehow connected to the perspective which I want to build, some different perspective. So I think this will help me. Yeah. And I will only make one simple video about this, how I feel after reading this book. Not a single video, but only a one video, what I thought, what I built from this book, and what emotion evoked from me after reading this book. That will I'm going to share this. Okay. Yeah. And the last one is this book, Becoming Me. Okay, by Rinjina Marandi. Okay, I don't know if my pronunciation is wrong. Please don't get me wrong. Uh, yeah, I'm going to read this. What attracts me about this book is the name, the title, Becoming Me. So I think I will become me after reading this book. This is just a hope. I don't know what perspective this book is going to give me, but I know there is something special about this. That's why I get attracted to this, and I chose this book. I think all of these books have something uniqueness in them. That's why I get attracted to those books, and I really hope that within a month I will able to complete this book. And yes, I will be able to complete this book. This is my hope, and I'm going to start from today only, and I will spend minimum 1 hour daily on these books. And my speed is also not high because English take time. uh, Reading and comprehension the English novels is little bit harder, because I don't want to just read. I want to comprehend them, I want to feel them, I want to understand them. So it takes some time. So, but I will do that, because, and I'm in a journey of to be expressive, to be little bit, you know becoming a good speaker. That's why I am going to record these kind of video whenever I face problem, whenever I feel like I want to talk. The only friend of mine is my camera. So yeah, I'm in a journey of learning, becoming a good speaker, becoming to articulate my thoughts. So I know people out there also want to do this similar kind of things, and they are also a similar kind of path. So I I really hopeful that they also do similar things. uh, the kind of positivity which is showing in my body language, it's not mine. uh, that's false, it's mine only, but it's only come when I open my camera, because if I not open my camera, the phone is in my hand, I just scroll. So it's far better to not hold not hold phone in hand and scroll the reels. Just put in front of you and talk and talk and talk, like anything you want to talk, just like I talk about my books and my promises for 1 month. So I am really hopeful to do that, and I'm really hopeful to you know uh, to learn things, to articulate myself in a way which I want to, which I don't want to repeat a similar sentence again and again and conveying same thing in different sentence, but in one sentence, how in concise way, how I can say, and how I can communicate my things to the person who is in front of me. So yeah, I will able to do this, but this will only happen through a practice, I know this. And I don't know who I'm going to express, like in my, like, with a person, nobody can be for 24 hours to practice. So it's very easy, and it's very comfortable, and it's very easy or ease in the thing that you just open your camera and then talk. Because a person like me knows English, it doesn't, and knows English, but I don't have the practice, you can say that, or I don't have the particular vocabularies which needed. So I think if I will practice, that will come in my nerves. That will come in my nerves, that will come out to me naturally, and I will able to complete communicate. So yeah, if I wish to put this on YouTube, I will going to put this, but I don't know when. But whenever I will put this on YouTube, if you listen to me in any of the YouTube videos, so just watch in 2x, you will enjoy. Because in simple audio, it's feel like I am just exaggerating, not exaggerating, I'm just stretching, and I'm speaking little slow. I think when I watch my videos, I have uploaded 2 videos. When I watch those 2 video, I feel like what like I'm going to give my feedback, or if I will watch those video, I will definitely going to watch in 1.5x or 1.25, or more more convenient is 2x. Because when I speak, when it looks faster on camera, it's it's amazing, like it's amazing to see me like that. When I directly speak, it's like I'm speaking very see, I forgot the vocabulary. Let me remember. When I speak um, on normal pace, like just like right now, it's like a very low pace. You know, when people speak, when I speak Hindi, my rate of speech is high. I speak fast, and I able to say my things which I want to communicate. But the same condition in English, not not happen, but I want to be become fluent, more fluent, which look like ease. It look like effortless, because yeah, I will able to do this. Yes, I have hopes. Bye guys, and I'm going to read those books. I will share my learnings, my perspective, my emotions. So yeah, till then, bye bye, bye Saraswati, and bye everyone.